Good day to you. Yeah, well, after trying my best with Ubuntu last week, I'm having to have to resort to going on back to plain old Xubuntu, as it just isn't working with the Ubuntu thing. I had problems after problems with it. Really did. So in the next video after this one, or in the future anyway, I will be showing those other ISOs off. But what I want to do for this one is to get this sorted on out to how I like it. I've got Nemo installed, but not the latest version. I've actually gone up a version to Vanessa, which is based on 22.04, of course. So this is Vanessa's version of that. Linux Mint Vanessa's version, which is just 21, of course. So I've managed to install that. I had a few hiccups along the way. I've gotten rid of snaps altogether. I've gotten rid of it all. Or I hope so, anyway. What I didn't realise was, of course, in an Ubuntu-based system, Pulse Audio is now based on snaps. Yeah. You get rid of anything else like to the snapd GR1 file, 1.0. Whatever. You try getting rid of that. All of Pulse Audio, your printing, your cups and all of that is inside, gets uninstalled as well because it relies on that. What the hell's going on? I hate it. Who the hell do they think they are by forcing these snaps onto people? My God, no need for it. There really isn't. No need for it at all. So I've gotten rid of snaps, as in I cannot install I wouldn't even bother installing any snaps at all on here now. Nothing snap is on here. No Firefox, nothing. I've got me Brave software here, and I've got my Linux Notes here, which will be doing like I did in my Ubuntu base one. I really want to make an ISO up because I want a gaming distro, and I don't mind what it is as long as it ain't got bloody snaps on it. And I thought, well, the whole idea of me doing these videos was, of course, to see if I could make it on out of this. Because really, you don't need to be a programmer. You've just got to have your head screwed on and know what to install and how to install things. That's all you need. It isn't that hard to use. Linux isn't. I don't do any coding or anything like that. I'm just using packages to install stuff with. Is it wrong? No, it isn't. I want to make this my own. Just for myself. I'm not going to be putting this on out into the wild. It's for myself. I want a separate gaming distro to my main drive, which of course is Linux Mint. I could have just used Linux Mint, but it comes down with so much stuff, and so does this, that I had to just like clear the way so that I could make an ISO on up. So anyway, I'm going to get on and freak this thing right on out now. We'll have this. We'll go with this as well. We'll cut that from there. We're going to go into here. All the files that I'm using here now will be cut out of that folder. Apart from Linux Notes, let's hope anyway. Themes I need to go down to. I don't like white themes, although this isn't so bright, I guess. I hope... Oh, wrong one. That's what I wanted. Just put that in there. Themes. So we're going to paste them in there. I'm going to extract here, get rid of them like so. Bring this one on out, cut that, go back into themes, paste that there. Get rid of all the rest of them. Don't need them. Excellent. That'll do us. Excellent. At least I'll be able to now make it a bit darker and a bit better for the eye. For the eye. That's better. Better-ish. Anyway, let's go back to documents. Come out of here and go into icons, of course. HI into there. Where are they? They here? Yep. So we can cut that now. I know this thing doesn't look that good. It will be alright in a minute. It'll get... No, not copy. I wanted cut. Thank you. And we'll just cut them into here. It's fine. It'll be alright in a minute. Trust me. It'll be fine. Extract here. Brilliant. I can delete that. Excellent. Now I've got these to put on in. Got all these to put on in as well. While I'm here, I'm going to go into preferences. I'm going to go preview, bring this up to 32 so you can see everything. Toolbar, I'm going to bring that turn that on up. Context menus I would like. I can make links and stuff. I just like to have that. We've got plugins as well. Okay, which one was it? That one. Copy that. Share. We need to go down to P, Pixmaps. That's where all your stuff resides on your Linux system. Didn't you know? Right, and if we come down to this. I know it's boring. I know it's a boring video. But I'm determined to do it. I really am. Determined to do these things. Toolbar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I don't need to do context on there. Just wanted it to look the same as this one. And it will in a minute. It'll look really good. Alright, that's in there. Let's just turn that into root and root it. There we go. Fantastic. Alright, we can now come over to this one. Grab all of them apart from that one. Cut from there. Go into share. And we're going to go on up to backgrounds. Paste them in there. We're also going to paste them. Oh, let's go back in here. We'll just go to properties. And again, we'll bring all these to root. All of these to root and everything should be pretty darn fine. Right, I'm going to skip ahead now. I'm going to skip you ahead now to when I'm actually installing system back. Okay, so we're back now. And yes, it has completed. I've just done a reboot. And as you can see, it's made up an ISO of 2.5 gigabyte. Fantastic. So all I got to do is just bring it on off of here, and then I'm going to boot it on up in VirtualBox just to see if it will install, and hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will be there. I haven't made Nemo default, so it should be there. It should be fine now. We can copy that. That'll do for now. We'll go on into here. I'll go into this one. We'll just paste that in there. It shouldn't take that long at all to do it. Thank God for that. That's the only way of taking stuff off is to have a USB. You can't, even though I got bi-directional on, works all right in Windows, but never in Linux. I've never known or understood as to why. Say 2.5 gig. That's pretty small considering everything that I've taken off. The original ISO is like 3.5, 3 gigs, something like that, 2.9. Oh, I don't know, one of them. But yeah, at least we got it down to there, so that's good. So now, of course, I can come on off of there, eject that, brilliant. It's going to unmount it. It's just wait for the lights to flash. That's it. That'll do us. It's done. Oh, I should be able to pull that out if I really wanted to. I'm just going to close it down. Brilliant. Okay, we can remove this one now. Just remove only. There's still some tweaks to do on there. Like the mouse, for instance. I didn't really want that, but hey ho, don't matter. Need to go on into here. See if it gets loaded on up. This is a video I'm recording at the moment. It should be on there. 2.5. There we go. Brilliant. So, next video you shall see this hopefully installed and everything tickety-boo. Or we'll install it through system back on that particular video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.